Every seat is full, every agent is logged in, and the queue keeps growing anyway.
Two screens. One says fully staffed. The other says something invisible is missing. This problem has a name. Shrinkage. The paid hours you have, minus the hours agents are actually available to help. It's not about headcount. It's about availability. The gap between what's scheduled and what's actually ready. A software line tracks it before training rollouts. An airline tracks it around storm season. A retail desk tracks it at holidays. Ignore it, and the schedule looks perfect on paper while the floor quietly falls short. Contact centers started tracking it because we scheduled enough people and we have enough people ready are two very different sentences. Shrinkage isn't just people missing work. It's every minute paid time isn't turned into available time. Shrinkage splits two ways: planned, breaks, training, meetings; unplanned, absences, tardiness, system failures. Planned shrinkage is a scheduling problem. Unplanned shrinkage is a reliability problem. Different causes, different fixes. One team advantage support learned this the hard way. Service levels have missed target for 3 weeks straight, and the roster shows full headcount every day. His first guess, agents are too slow. He requests handle time coaching for the entire floor. Before coaching starts, he checks the number properly. 4,000 paid hours, only 2,300 available. 1,680 hours are missing. That's 42% shrinkage, well past the healthy 25 to 35% range. He splits the number two ways, by type and by shift. Two patterns jump off the page. Night shift's unplanned shrinkage is nearly double every other shift, and one login error keeps repeating. He redesigns the night shift's break rotation into 5 staggered windows instead of 3 overlapping ones. He also flags the login bug to engineering, attaching the lost hours as proof it matters. 2 weeks later, same 4,000 paid hours, now 2,860 available. Shrinkage down to 28.5%. Service levels recover, not from agents working harder, but from 2 specific leaks finally closed. He now also tracks schedule adherence, because a healthy shrinkage number still needs agents following it. The formula: paid time minus available time divided by paid time times 100. Plug in the numbers. 1,680 divided by 4,000 equals 42%. Exactly what he found. Below 25%, agents may be overworked. Above 35%, the schedule stops matching reality. The common mistake: cutting breaks or training just to shrink the number on a report. That drops shrinkage on paper, while burnout and turnover quietly push it right back up. He didn't fix shrinkage by asking for more effort. He fixed it by asking exactly where the hours went. The queue that never matched the roster finally does, because he stopped asking how much and started asking where. Metrics made human. One metric, one story, every week. See you in the next one.